Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to access shared calendars in our Outlook account. So ladies and gentlemen, to access a shared calendar on the left-hand side in your web browser on outlook.live, you will see we're currently in Mail. We're going to go and click on Calendar over here. You will find yourself on this page. Here is your calendar. Now, currently on the left-hand side in this toolbar, you have My Calendars. And these are calendars that are your own calendars, are linked to your own account. So currently, this is the calendar that we're seeing. And then we have other calendars. So other calendars would include shared calendars. So this one over here is a shared calendar. So you can just select it, make sure that it's checked. And this calendar will now also display right over here. So if there's anything on this calendar, such as meetings or appointments or any sort of schedule, you'll find them right over here. And that's how you can access it. Now, if you want to not see your main calendar, which is this one here, you can literally just uncheck it and you will see that there was a reminder over here. But now, if you're unchecking it, it will be gone. So this is now just viewing our shared calendar. I hope this was helpful.